Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing today? I am good and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all right. I wore this yesterday and when I was eating soup spilled here, so don't come for me. The lighting is amazing. Anyway, time check is 8:37. I invited my sister and my sister in love for lunch today. So I just woke up. I want to start preparing. You know me, I have to go extra. All right. So I'm just having overnight oatmeal with some raisins and some apples, green apples. Yeah. So I decided I should start this vlog because I'm gonna make the juice now so that I put it in the fridge. It should be chilling, and then I will go to the cabbage. I'm making a coleslaw. Oh, okay. So I invited. Let's start off. Let's start over. So I invited my sister and my sister-in-law for lunch today. So the kids are gonna be here and everyone is gonna be here. So I decided I make some charcoal grilled chicken, some vegetable fried rice, and a coleslaw. Yeah, and maybe a cucumber salad. I'll see. If I'm gonna be tired, I will make it, but I'm gonna make whatever I'm gonna manage to make. So you guys are coming with me to prepare lunch for these guys. I am not a very good braai master, so I asked my sister to come a little bit early so that she can help me with that. So I want to prepare these things before it becomes hot, because it is Livingstone is hot. Yeah, that's the reason why I woke up very early in the morning. Otherwise, when I'm alone, my husband is not around, I wake up around 1 p.m. Yeah, I'll be like eating, snacking in the bedroom, watching TV, editing for you guys, and yeah. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So right now I have 2 lemons, 1 orange, and 1 apple. These are the things that I'm going to put in the juice. And today we're going to be using for juice because there's going to be a lot of people. So I want to make, I don't have ice. And I have been having this sore throat thing. So the doctor advised I stop eating very cold things. So yeah, because Livingstone is hot. So whenever I'm drinking water, it's very cold, like ice cold. So now I'm trying to, I have to be drinking water, but I'm also trying, all right, to be drinking, not to be drinking cold water. So yeah, I'm gonna show you when it's time to make the juice. Let me just finish my breaky. Hey guys, so I am about to make the juice. I've already put like some water in here. So I've tied these mints because I don't want them to come out using the drain plug. So I'm going in with my fruits first. Yeah, and then I am using fruit of today. It's orange juice, local made. So this is 1.5 liters, in case it's gonna be too sweet. This is 1.5 liters, and I'm going in with the lemonade. This is local made, but first, before I put the lemonade, let me just add some water again, because I need to be testing if it is good. Okay, I put everything, I know. So I'm gonna test. It's perfect. I measured with eyes. I'm gonna throw in the mint, and we are putting these lemonade shakas that are also locally made. One, Let me be the tipsy bartender. No alcohol. No alcohol today. I've been off alcohol for some weeks now. Because this is also sweet. That's why I didn't want this to be very sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make the last stir. I wanted it to be colorful. Should have put some mangoes. Also, I do not want the cling paper that I used to tie the mince to come out, because it's gonna block the drain. It's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and freeze it. So I marinated this chicken yesterday night. It's the one that we're gonna be frying. Yeah. So let me just cover it. Next up is cabbage. I'm just gonna cut it, add carrots, onions, and some sugar, and leave it. Then I'm gonna add the mayo when it's time to dish out. Yeah.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Hey guys, I told you that it was gonna get hot, and it has started. Look at me sweating. The problem is that I sweat everywhere. Look. Anyway, so I am done with prepping the cabbage. I have to do the I hate picking rice. I hate picking rice, but I have to do it. Oh, I haven't put that in the fridge. So I have to pick rice, and also I prepare green beans and carrots and onions and tomatoes for the rice, because we are doing vegetable fried rice. Yeah, so let me just organize the cabbage and the carrots, then I'll see you when cutting. I'm not gonna show you guys the picking of rice. I'm not gonna do that, but I will show you when cooking it. Yeah, so it's 9. I want to put the rice by 10, at least 10, so that it can cook slowly, and then I'll be done with. I don't think I'm gonna make a cucumber salad like later when we just eat lunch and we just chilling. Yeah, I'll make a cucumber salad and also maybe some popcorn. So yeah, let me do this green beans and carrot. Hey guys, so it's time for the rice. Please do not mind my charcoal because I don't have where to put it. Don't come for my charcoal. So first things first, we're gonna pour in some cooking oil, because I'm cooking a lot of rice. So yeah, I think that will do. Guys, so the rice is boiling. I put carrots. I didn't put green beans because green beans is gonna be overcooked by the time it's gonna be done. So what I'm gonna do is when it's almost done, that's when I'm gonna throw in the green beans and the rest of the carrots. So for now, let's just we'll be putting a little bit of water till when it's almost done. So I'm gonna see you guys when it's time to put in the greens. Yeah. So I had stirred in this rice, then I throw in some green beans and the carrot that were remaining. So let's just mix it together, then we turn it off. So So this is where I miss it, because this green beans is gonna be overcooked anyways. So I don't know. I don't know. Let me get a spoon so I can test if the rice is almost done. It's almost. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of water. Like that. I know you guys didn't see. And then I reduce the heat further or turn it off completely because I need that water. Let me put a foil, because if I put a foil paper, it won't breathe, so the greens will be brown. Yeah, I think this is okay. Let me just reduce the heat to 2. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you when I'm testing for the last time. See daisy. So let's make the fire together. I can't make a fire. I'm gonna be using this. This is my brush stand. Yeah. So I'm supposed to put charcoal here. I think that's what Bay said. So the guy that made this made it bend. I'm only praying that it doesn't fall. Yeah. So let's make some chairs, some fire, so that by the time the ladies will be coming, it will be almost done.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies.
So next, I'm just gonna clear the kitchen, mop the floors, because everything is done now. The remaining thing is just chickens. Yeah, there's kerosene here. Are you coming? Oh yeah, baby, are you coming? Hi, Mo. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when the guest starts arriving. Hey guys, so I just bathed. I'm wearing this velvet dress. It's been so long since I wore it. Anyway, this is my first time wearing it, for real. Like, it's my first time wearing it. So let me show you the whole feet. I'm gonna walk backwards a bit. Okay. Hey. I think that's better, right? Yeah. This is it. So I've come to get chicken so that I can put on the braai stand. The braai is ready. I'm just gonna put let's do this. I'll trust the process. Cause how am I gonna do it without my sister being here? She's such a person. Let me call her. I don't have an apron, so this is gonna be my apron. And also, I got this thing from the Chinese shop and it likes cutting me. So today I'm gonna be clever. I'm gonna wear this. Don't come for me, it's dirty, I know. So let's put this on the brazier. So this is the last thing I'm preparing. We are supposed to prepare anyway. It's sizzling, so I'm praying all is well, ready. But yeah, we are here. What I was telling you guys, it's already burning. I think this is burning. My sister is such a Judas. She was supposed to come and do this. It's burning. Oh, I love foil papers because I was just gonna throw it there. I thought it was burning, guys. But it's not. I think it's cooking. I need to pour some water. Guys, this is when these people are coming to come and eat. Nipeleka kwa orphanage vokoni. Hey, get it! Get it! Get it! Kill them! Kill them! Hey! Jay! 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 Hey! That's my boy. Go, Nene! Hey! Kill them! Kill them! You ready for the food? You can't wait? Can't wait to eat? Yeah, me too. Final! So I'm waiting for my sister-in-law and my niece to come and to reach, and then now we can eat. Ooh. Hi guys, good morning. So I just showered. Today is Sunday. It's around 10:09. So I woke up at 9. I was just clearing the sink and I showered. So I'm about to have breakfast. But I just came up here to tell you guys that yesterday was amazing. We were catching up. I didn't film a lot of it after the second group arrived, but we had fun. Like we ate, we chilled, listened to music, chatted. Yeah. So and also power card. So I was keeping my phone for later so I can talk to this man, my man. So yeah, I just came up here to just end this vlog. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you, and also I love you guys. So if you ever need me to do any video in Livingston, just let me know. Just let me know. I know it's gonna be a long time for me to do it, but yeah, just let me know in the comment section. So I'm gonna see you in my next. Bye.